Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Apollo Horticulture. It's a 48 inch by 48 inch by 80 inch grow tent. I need to, what I want to do is consolidate most of my LED lights and larger plants under it. And they're in the basement, so this will be probably capture a little bit of the heat from the lights and also all the light that's getting wasted. So I'm going to set that up here. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing, and then I'll put it together and show you how it looks. So we got this cover there. So it looks like the tent part. It's the warnings and the product manual. These are generally pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to go through each step. There's a little, I think these are like for adjusting your lights and stuff. Got all the connectors with the frame. Got all the poles for the frame. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this together and show you how it looks. Okay, so got to put together, a little help. Okay, yeah, so it's very spacious. It's a bunch of flaps. And adjust this here. There's a little tray fits in here, kind of like a leak tray. Some flaps that will undo. And some little mesh there, so you can get some airflow. Several venting holes and for like ducts and fans and whatever. This zips all the way around. See, it's about 6.5 feet tall. Some little side flaps to kind of peek in. And you can undo these here. There's the mesh. So it looks like it'll meet my needs. I need to get my lights in here. I really like that I can stand inside of it and hang stuff, you know, and still have room for the lights to hang and for the plants to grow. It's a lot more room. I could actually even fit a pretty nice rack in here if I wanted to, but I'll probably have it hang from the top bottom to the bottom and just have stuff on the floor. Maybe put a little thing down the bottom, container or something. But anyway, so that's the Apollo Horticulture 48 inch by 48 inch by 80 inch grow tent. Thank you very much for watching. You'll be seeing a lot of this in future updates as I'll move my plants in here. And anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.